What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about an app called Noise. And with the Noise app, basically they pay you to post videos, short videos and long form videos about brands and tell about the brands, what they're about, and they will pay you based on how many views that your videos will get about those brands. So with that being said, let's jump into this new video today, and I'll show you and tell you everything you guys need to know. Let's go. So basically with the Noise app, pretty much the whole premise of the app is to post videos for brands, and this app has so many brands to choose from and so many brands to partner with and post videos about. And basically what they do is they help you pretty much build the post and the description and the hashtags, and basically you create the video. With the Noise app, you do not have to be monetized with any of the platforms that you post videos on. The Noise app is free to join, free for anybody to sign up and start using right away. Anybody that posts videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Snapchat story videos, and even YouTube videos, you guys are all able to join right away and sign up right away. When you guys sign up, you guys can use my code. You guys can see it on the screen here. It'll be throughout the whole entire video. This will help you earn extra money. And yeah, the Noise app is just simple and easy to use. They provide everything that you need to build the post with. The only thing that you really need to do is basically make the video. A lot of the times for TikTok, they will pretty much give you the images that you need, and you can download them all straight from the app, and then you can input them straight into your video, build it, and post it. And the only thing you have to do is include your unique hashtag within the description of the video, and include the description that they give you, and pretty much you just copy and paste it and then post, and then that's it. You can also join the app through the official link in the description of this video, as well as all of my videos are going to include all of the important links for any of these apps that I show in my videos. Go to the description of my videos, the link will be there. The special codes will be there that you need to redeem for everything. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just sign up for free and earn money and post videos. Basically the same thing we all do right now on other social medias like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, except you can get paid for it right now by telling and making videos about brands. It's not just the brand Noise, which is the actual app that you are on. They have so many brands like Courtside, and like makeup brands. They have like sporting brands. They have food brands. They have, shoe brands. Anything you can think of is on this app and is available right away for you to start making videos about and start earning. So with that being said, jump in and start earning today. Alright, so we are on the Noise app, and I'm just going to show everybody everything and show you how to go through it. So at the top you can see your experience and your streak, and if you click on that, it'll take you to this page and just show you how to level up. That's on the XP, and this is the streak page. Not sure what happened there, but this is the streak page. You get a streak for posting once a day. You have your balance, your creator code, and your withdrawal. You can see what brands you're working with currently. You can apply to become a premium creator. They also show you like your next post is ready. They'll show you posts that are boosted that you can start creating with, and you can accept it or decline it. If you decline it, another one will pop up for you. You can see their latest podcasts. You can listen on YouTube, Spotify. You can see all your recent posts that you've made. And if you click on a post, you can see all the stats for it, performance of it. And if you click update, they'll update the progress of the video in the background. It also takes up to 24 hours to fully update, so keep that in mind. If you need help, at the very bottom it says text us, or they have a Discord, or you can watch the video on their YouTube channel. Right now I am waiting for this gold creator to be approved. It takes up to 24 hours. At the bottom you can see they have post, brands, trending, leaderboard, and your account. So post is what we're on right now. It's this page. Brands, it'll show you all the brands, the boosted brands, and all the brands that you can create videos for. If you go to trending, you can see all of the creators that are currently trending and how many views that their posts have. Leaderboard will show you the top creators this week and all time, and how much money they've earned. And then you have your account, which shows you basically a simple profile. Shows you total views, total earnings, and when you joined, as well as your creator code, the level you're on, like silver, gold, whatever. You can see your referrals, and you can link your accounts. So linking your accounts, basically you do not have to sign in to these accounts. Basically you just provide your account profile link, and then once you do that, you make a post on that profile, and you have to make sure you use your creator code as a hashtag. And basically once you do that, when you do that, you'll already know because they walk you through making your first post. And basically it'll walk you through on how to set up all your other accounts. And at the very top right, you have edit your profile, and you also have settings, which include your creator code, and you can edit it and change it, but I just kept mine. You can withdraw earnings, notifications, join Discord, privacy policy, terms of service, check for updates, clear cache, and you can sign out. And that's basically the whole entire app. So that is the whole entire Noise app, and that's pretty much all I have for this video today. If you like this video, please drop a like on this video. Please also subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one and all the other ones. Comment below if you have any more questions, or maybe you're a user already of the Noise app and maybe I missed something, and you can add it below for future viewers to read. With that being said, I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.